बहुत भल लगुच एंड typically कहबे जदि I did not expect rank 1 but I was expecting a good AI ranking as like we had prepared a lot for it as a class also and that's what kept me going ki I am going to get a good ranking, so I was stable that my joining is going to be certain, but AIR 1 came like a blessing to me. 17th of December evening रे तो ता next day रे आम graduation होबाक जाउथिला तो that evening only that news came कि merit list has come out and that time I felt very happy that I was AIR 1. सर प्रिपरेशन क्लास 8 थ्रू स्टार्ट हो जाता NDA क्लीयरेंस ପାଇଁ का आउ फॉर एवरी मैटर लाइक आई शिफ्टेड टू देहरादून तो देयर इन दी RIMC राष्ट्रीय इंडियन मिलिट्री कॉलेज द करिकुलम इज ओनली सेट फॉर क्लियरिंग द NDA and since 5 years everything we have done which is helpful to our SSBs and all, take for example like public speaking group discussions and PT drill everything, so those things they came handy very easily, but the real preparation started in my class 11th for the returns and since my class 11 like as soon as my class 11 got over I was too much concerned into my returns, so I had started solving papers and all. At least 4.5 hours of self study I used to put in except the discussions along with my course mates there. Oh sir, fitness is required in the defense services because like for anything that is going to happen in the defense services person needs to be very fit and fitness only arouses the enthusiasm of the mind, so a vibrant mind needs a fit body. एनालाइज करची तीनटा को फोर्स को आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स को RIMC रे जाएगी and after that analysis only I have decided to take Indian Navy as my career option. प्रेरणा बहुत लोकंकर रही स्पेसिफिकली मो स्कूल रो RIMC रो because there only after going there I came to know about all the three forces, but before that it was of my dad only that I had seen the uniform and the forces, the lifestyle of the forces that had aroused the interest in the disciplined life of the forces. But after going there, got to interact with many of the officers of all the three forces, especially of the very high ranked officers like General Bipin Rawat and Lieutenant General CP Mohanty, who is the current Vice Chief of, and also with Vice Admiral Rear Admiral Adhir Arora and Vice Admiral Vimal Verma. So they were the very high ranked officers with whom I interacted and got to know lots of things, and they were the driving force behind me joining the forces. आगामी दिन रे मैसेज एयर रहिबो जे डिफेंस फोर्सेस ପାଇଁ का contribution towards the defense forces should increase and also that taking like small steps towards contributing in the defense forces like taking the NCC for example at the school level will also boost one's confidence. And also one more thing is that physical fitness should also be given proper care during the class, the school curriculum. That's all.
क्लियर थला डिफेंस फोर्स लाइफस्टाइल वर्किंग स्टाइल ये सब देखिकी से प्रथम रू ही डिसाइड करथिला कि डिफेंस फोर्सेस से जीव. व्हेन ही गॉट सिलेक्टेड फॉर RIMC आमे जानिलु जे तार डिफेंस फोर्स से जीवार चांसेस इज क्वाइट ब्राइट, बट से ND एग्जाम रे टॉप करिवाटा वाज नेचुरली अ वेरी प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड आमे समस्त खुशी कि से एटा अचीवमेंट एते यंग एज रे पाइची एंड इट इज ऑल ए प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस नॉट ओनली इन द फैमिली बट ऑल आवर फ्रेंड सर्कल एंड ऑल दोज वेल विशर्स. मोर जेहेतु से पुरी रे ही रहिला तार इनिशियल एजुकेशन पुरी रे रहिला और मोर आर्मी रे सर्व करबिया हेतु मु always I was away from family, so most of the contribution other than himself was from his mother. से ताको completely focused रखितला. she is a strict disciplinarian, तो से प्रथम रु ही से लाइन रे फोकस रहितला. और RIMC रे अपन जानिथिबे RIMC रे गोटिए स्टूडेंट को ही गोटिए चाइल्ड को ही नियंती फ्रॉम स्टेट each state, so that way qualifying was very tough, but once he qualified he never looked back. से सब बेले आगो को ही चाहि चलला और प्रति वर्ष रु वर्ष तार इम्प्रूवमेंट ही हला और फाइनली जेते बेले रिजल्ट बाहरिला ही वाज राइट ऑन द टॉप एंड वी आर प्राउड ऑफ हिम एंड आई विश माय चाइल्ड ऑल द सक्सेस इन लाइफ.